Welcome. Today, we're exploring a helpful update on Telegram Web that allows you to easily view all the photos shared in your groups. If you've ever struggled to find images in a busy group chat, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Next, find the group where the photos have been shared. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific group you want. Once you find it, click on the group name to open the chat. Now that you're in the group chat, look at the top of the screen for the group's name. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This panel offers various options related to the group, including shared media, links, and files. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Media tab. Click on it, and you'll see all the photos that have been shared in this group, organized for your convenience. This makes it easy to scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for. If you want to view a specific photo, just click on it. This action will open the image in a larger view, allowing you to see it clearly. If you'd like to download a photo, simply click the download icon, and it will be saved directly to your computer. This feature makes accessing and saving your favorite images a breeze. In summary, viewing shared photos in your Telegram groups has never been simpler.